Welcome to another video presentation from discoverlasers.com. This video will provide an overview of how to turn on your scalar wave laser and launch a frequency setting. Let's begin. The star button here, we'll push it once and it will turn on and it will enter into the opening screen menu. From here you'll see that there's a cursor in front of launch. Simply press the right arrow one time to see the Essentials and Custom menu options. Press Essentials arrow once to the right to enter into the Essentials bank, where you'll find 11 different frequency settings to choose from, beginning with the default unwind setting. You can scroll down to Quantum, Relieve, Pleo, Activate, Rejuve, Soothe, Unity, Vital, Cohere, and Wave, and return to Unwind. So you can scroll up or down, as you'll notice that the cursor is in front of the Unwind default setting. To launch any setting, simply press the arrow to the right once, and that frequency setting will be launched and active. To pause that setting at any time, simply press the arrow to the left. If you accidentally press the star button, it will turn the device off. To return to the opening menu, the main menu here, simply press the arrow twice to the left. To turn off your laser, press the star button.